Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Isa and today I will give you an overview of the most complete digital planner. This planner comes in 4 different color combinations. You can choose a Monday start, a Sunday start, or a hybrid start, which means having your months starting on Sundays and your weeks starting on Mondays. And there are a ton of new spreads that have been added, and today I want to show them to you. So this is the first page in my planner. As you might have seen in other PrintStick planners, this page is usually just a big blank page where you can add your own covers to start creating your own cover design. So you can choose exactly how you want this first page of your planner to look. You can also add widgets here and really all of the things that you think you'll need to keep in your cover page. Then when you go to the GoodNotes library or whichever note-taking app you are using with your planner, you will be able to see this cover page that you have created. I'm gonna go through the pages of this planner rather quickly because I have other videos showing everything that's included and how everything works. And today I want to focus on the new features, but I do want to show you quickly that you get your index page with your 8 linked sections. And I need to mention that this planner has been rebuilt from scratch and it weighs now only 2 megabytes. So this helps you by taking up less space in your device, and also it'll be quicker to navigate with the links. So these tabs will take you to each of your blank sections. So you just tap on a tab and you navigate to that section, and to go back to your index you would tap in the middle part of the spiral. And what you can do with these sections is you can add your own inserts so that you can really design your planner with whatever you need. Then at the bottom here I have my favorites tab, and that's another tab that will be linked throughout the planner, so you can keep anything that's important to you on this page. You can keep your key, images, favorite stickers, and so on. Then you get to your yearly calendar, and besides showing you all of the dates of the current year, you can also skip to each of the months by tapping on its name. After our calendar, we get to this overview page where you have 12 boxes. You can use it to enter important events or dates happening in each of the months, or you can keep your goals, special birthdays, and things like that. Then you get to your notes page, and after this you start getting all of your monthly spreads. So this is what a monthly spread looks like. This planner of course has this area at the bottom where you can enter notes, widgets, or customize the page a little bit. And then from here, if you tap on the top right corner of the first day of the week, so that could be Monday or that could be Sunday, in this case it's Monday. If I tap on this number 19, I'm going to open the week that starts with Monday 19, and that makes navigation a lot easier. Another cool thing about this planner is that you get these arrows under the month here in your weekly spreads, and if you tap on them you will be able to navigate through all of the weeks of the year, skipping from month to month. So that means that I was in August here, and if I were to swipe left I would start getting all of my spreads unique to August. But if I want to instead go to the following week, let's say I'm planning for Monday 30th and I can't see that right here because the month ends, then I'll just tap on this arrow and then I'll be guided to the following week, which is already in the month of September. Now each month will have all of these tabs here. As you can see, if I go to my notes page, I will not see these tabs on the right because they only open once I'm inside a month. Okay, so that means that September has all these grid papers that are unique to September. You can use them however you like, and you know that when you get a new month, you'll get a new set of grid papers. And you also have other spreads that you have probably already seen in my other videos. These have stayed the same. And where it gets exciting is we go to our extras tab, which is this little one right here. I tap there. This is where we have a new spreads added. So I'm gonna quickly show you some of them. You know them already. So you have your extra weekly spreads. You have them with a Monday start, with a Sunday start. You have your schedule page, your semester overview, a directory, birthdays, account info where you can keep your passwords and login credentials. You have a project overview, this gray page where you can keep white stickers so they don't get lost on white pages. And you have a daily page, which I'll show you in a second how you can use this if you want. And then you get the new spreads. So this is a cute recipe spread where you can keep one on each page. Then you have this new finance spread. You have this payments due spread, and you can keep track of payments the whole year because you have all of the months up here. Then you have your bill tracker to keep track of all the bills, a task manager page, weekly checklist. I love this one because I enter my routine activities just to remember them. I do them every day, but just in case that I don't overlap some activities, I would go back here and make sure I don't have anything going on at a certain time. You also have a daily tracker at the bottom here to keep track of your habits, medicines, things that you need to get done every day. Then you get to this other spread, which is things to do. So this can be kind of a daily thing. You get 2 days per page, so one on this side and one on this side. Then you get this month currently. This is a very nice page where you can keep track of the things that you are into in this month, and then you can look back and see the things that you were doing. You get a follower count tracker, so you have the biggest social medias listed up here, and then the months of the year, so you can enter how many subs or how many followers you get, and then the total of how many you got throughout the year. You do get 2 blank sections that you can label with another social media not listed here. You get a social media planner, so you can plan out your post. So those are the new spreads included in the Vita planner, and after this, of course, you get your grid papers that you can use and duplicate and add to any section or behind any other existing page whenever you want. Now lastly, I want to mention, so you get all of the months of the year listed here. By tapping on these tabs, you can navigate to each of the months, and then I can also navigate through the weeks. I already showed you how to do that. You can swipe, you can use the arrows, or you can go back to your monthly spread and then go to each of the weeks from here. Now, if you also want to have a daily spread for every day of the year, and I'll show you what that looks like, you go to your extras tab down here, and then I'll open my daily page, which is right here. So if I want to have one of these per day of the year, what I'll do, I'll show you. Just tap here to open your menu, then go to your 4 squares on the top left, click on select, tap on this page, click on copy, wait until it's copied, click on done, and now I'm gonna navigate to where I want to add this. In this case, it's going to be right after the first week of July. So I'm gonna skip back to July. I'm just gonna swipe here. Here's my first week of July. I go back to my 4 squares, and I want to add this daily page right after this week. So I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but there's a little blue outline surrounding the slide that is currently selected. So that's how I know where I need to insert my daily spread. So I click on this bottom arrow of the spread that's currently selected, and then I click on add page after and paste page. And the page that I have copied, which is in this case the daily spread, will be added here. So if I swipe left, I have my first week of July, swipe right, and I have my daily page. There's only 1 copy so far, but I want to have 7 to cover all of the days of the week. So all I have to do is duplicate this page and make enough copies so that I can have 1 per each day of the week. So I need a total of 7 copies. You can also select and copy multiple at once. Then you would just tap on add page after again, paste pages, and then you have a total of 7 pages. So if I go back to the first week of July and then I swipe, I'll find my 7 spreads, and I can use one of these per day of the week. You can repeat this for every week of the year, and to not have it be overwhelming, what you can do is just go 1 month at a time. For example, we are in July right now, so I'll do the daily spreads of the month of July, and maybe in 1 or 2 weeks I can go ahead and create all of the daily spreads for the month of August. Or if you want, you can do them all in one sitting. That can work perfectly fine as well. This is what the new dated Vita planners look like. I hope you like them, I hope you enjoy them and find them useful. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you have any questions or something was not clear, just drop me a comment below. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and click on the bell so you know when there's a new video out. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.